Hi there, Dr. Ochsner here with a video about neck pain and how it relates to chiropractic. Specifically on this topic is the whole concept of cracking. I know that a lot of people are fearful of having their neck cracked for various reasons. Some supported reasons, others completely are just not even relevant. But regardless of why you have the fear, what I wanted to talk about today is alternatives, because there are many different methods to adjust one's neck without popping or cracking it, very simply put. So we have in our arsenal here of our tools, of techniques, 3 ways that we can do this, and I wanted to show you those 3 ways today, because once we identify a problem and it needs corrected, we're going to make that fit the patient, both their desires and needs with what can be best. So we pride ourselves in individualizing our care and really listening to what your needs and your desires are. So number 1 technique that we can do instead of turning, any kind of cracking, any kind of noise, is we're going to do something called a drop adjustment. So our chiropractic table here, this face piece with these cushions, sits just like that, and Teresa's face down right now, as you can see. And what we do is we bring that up and it locks. And then with my hands, I'm going to contact the segment that needs an adjustment. And as I apply that pressure down, you're going to hear and see visibly this table stop. So it's going to drop away. And what I did there is I applied force into the joint, and then when that stopped, my hand kept going. There was no cracking or popping, but it gave us the force into that subluxated joint so we can get to restore the alignment, position over time, and the motion. So a very, very effective low force technique. Another one is using an instrument. Back to our arthrostem. So depending upon which attachment we use here for this particular adjustment, I'm going to switch to this one. It's going to be a little bit more specific. And then this device, as you can see, as I put it on my hand, see how it resonates like that. We're going to put that right here, and then as we press in and turn on the pressure, it's doing the same thing through and it's applying those forces repetitively into the joints of the neck. So there's another way to do it without force using an instrument. And lastly, our lightest force method is something called an activator instrument. Now, while there's an entire technique and analysis behind activator, which we do use some of those checks, the other component of this can be just used for an actual adjustment. So a lot of times, for instance, we'll use this if someone's having a lot of tension headaches or neck pain in the upper part of the neck. We'll use that against the skull here where that particular bone attaches to the muscles, the suboccipital muscles. So what you'll do is you're going to see again, it's one impulse and then we set it just like that. And this can be set to different forces as far as how hard or how lightly we want it. So many ways to adjust you without cracking or popping. So if that's a fear of yours, we've got you covered. I would encourage you, if you're having any issues with neck pain or your posture, or you're sitting a lot, or you've got your head down on your phone, or whatever that might look like, that you come on in, we'll do that evaluation, and we'll see if you're a candidate, and we'll work with you and give you exactly what you want and get you the results that you're looking for. Take care.